Om Shri Sai Ram, offering my most prayerful salutations at the divine lotus feet of my beloved master Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. Bhagavata Vahini, Chapter 11. The Pandavas' Grief. Summary. Arjuna reveals that he did not even manage to meet Krishna before he left, but received his command that he was leaving. Arjuna was to complete the funeral rites of all and rescue the womenfolk and children by taking them to Indraprastha before the sea would swallow up Dwaraka in 7 days. Despite his immense grief, Arjuna managed to comply with the order. While bringing the ladies back on the way, they were accosted by ordinary forest brigands and thieves who in regular circumstances would have been no match for Arjuna. Yet, they chose to challenge him, and while attempting to defend the women, Arjuna found no strength in his arms and even forgot the incantations required to fire the arrows. He stood by helplessly as he watched the ladies and queens wailing while being kidnapped. The greatest hero, Arjuna, could not save them even from ordinary criminals. Key takeaways. There is a distinct change in the tone of last letter from Krishna to Arjuna. From a request from his closest friend, it shifts to the command of the highest Lord. The power of instruction itself contained the strength required for the heartbroken Arjuna to fulfill it unquestioningly. We too will find similar strength when needed while carrying on the Lord's work. Our strength, talent, abilities, achievements, successes, and failures appear to be ours in essence, is purely enabled by the grace of the Lord. If the Master permits it, such delusions can be entertained by the mind, but when he says, "Stop it," will give us up just as fast. With Krishna's physical passing, the Prana Shakti or life force that powered Arjuna's abilities were cut off, and though he was still apparently alive with a bow in his hand, his abilities were abruptly terminated. Let us also use our talents and skills not as proud owners, but as grateful temporary custodians of it. We should use it well, and when the time comes to return it to the Master, let us learn to let it go gracefully and merge ourselves with the Absolute. Arjuna's helplessness may seem like a huge failure to his own ego and his sense of self, but that utter failure taught him experientially, perhaps for the first time in his life, that his talent and ability was entirely a gift of the divine, and he was able to shed the shroud of ego or false sense of identity through it. So, even his failure here is a great spiritual gift from the Lord. End of chapter 11. Sai Ram.